of the best realtors. So today we're just gonna show you renovation before and after. So this is just started renovation today. Actually, we just closed and transferred the title. Now let's take a look. Come on in. So as you can tell, they already started doing the renovation here. So the first thing they're gonna do is smooth the wall. As you can tell, the wall has a lot of texture. Come take a look at the bathroom. So the bathroom has it's more outdated. It's a nice shower, but we'll do a makeover to make it really nice, modern. And then here's the vanity. We'll change it to as well. It's gonna make it all match together. And then we're also going to be doing new flooring as well. One of the biggest feature here on this unit is they actually push out the lanai. As you can tell, this is where it used to be the old lanai, so they actually gain another, I would say, probably a 50 square feet of space. So now you can have more people can stay in the unit. Second day is here. Let's go in and check it out. So you can tell they take out all the baseboard here. As you can tell, the wall is they're trying to smooth it out right now, basically to make a modern look. Aloha, so this is day 3 and let's take a look what is going on. So as you can tell, they already kind of take off the flooring. Everything is already cleared out and it's almost done with the wall and everything. This process is very tedious because it's going to take about a few days to dry. So once it's dried out, you can kind of see it's going to look more like the wall behind you. So that's just it for today, and then we'll see how it goes in the next couple of days. Thank you. They already kind of smooth down the wall here and ready for sanding. So as soon as this thing is being dry, and they can sand it, and they can do another layer on top to make it smooth, and they're ready for the paint job, basically. Shower is ready to go after a couple more steps, and then we can put the layout all the tile in a couple days. Moving here, this whole sink and vanity is all gone. It's ready for the new one. And then coming out here, of course the kitchen is all taken care of. Moving forward here, probably the owner wants to change the color a little bit more, so which we'll be doing with this renovation. Probably gonna take another week or 2. Going in here, you can tell that they are starting to put the flooring right here. The showers are already pretty much complete. Moving forward here, you have the middle console for the TV and everything. The wall painting is already finished, and all the ceilings is already finished. So they should be done in about a week or 2.